Salute, World ChangHers, Smaller Brown, Disruptor here. So, you want to be married. You want to be a wife. You ready to be a wife. Are you really ready to be a wife? Are you really ready for the spiritual responsibility of praying and protecting? Let me break it down real quick. Pray like a woman, protect like a man. Do you even know what that means? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. Pause this video. Let me know what you think pray and protect means. Because I'm here to let you know that when you say I do, it becomes your purpose and you have to protect it at all costs. All cost. We don't wave a red flag, white flag, red flag, green flag. There is no flag. Okay, when you say I do, that becomes your purpose, your mission. When you connect with your spiritual partner, your soulmate, whatever you want to call them, and you walk down that aisle and say I do, you become one. And your now purpose is to get his mission, ask him what is his mission, and then you have to submit to that mission. Let me give you a clear distinction of a different type of submission that the world doesn't want you to know, the power in submission. When you understand submission, get under like a submarine. His mission, his vision, and you should be able to tie in yours to that. It should be a conglomeration. It should be unified between the two of you. Then once you get that mission, you get it in your womb, it's incubated, it's a seed, it's cultivated, it's germinated, you're having dreams about it, visions about it, you're seeing it because you're actually warring with it, then you birth that thing out and you birth that king out of that man. You birth that millionaire out of that man. You birth that entrepreneurial kingdom, whatever is in him. That's why you have a womb. So when you say you're ready to be a wife, are you ready to pray and protect? Are you ready to war for him, for you? Are you ready to cover? Are you ready to be on your post at all times? Are you ready to make sure no one comes in and disrupts what God gave you? Are you ready to say, I dare you, kingdom of darkness, to try to come in to my place and take what God gave me that has my name on it? I'm here to let you know, kingdom marriages are here. And kingdom marriages are here to stay. We're about to rise up and we're about to combat, annihilate, disrupt, and do damage to the kingdom of darkness because he's trying to change the name of marriage. He's trying to change the face of family, and our God is not having that. So if you are with me, drop purple hearts down in the comments below. And let me know if you are a missus, say, I'm ready doing damage. I'm ready to do damage. If you are not married, but you are ready to be married, trust me, it's around the corner. It's coming. He will not choose you, and you will not be replaced from the one that God told you is yours. He is yours. You fight for it. You war for it. Don't back down. I don't care what witch, what warlock, I don't care what's happening. Right now, this moment, while you are watching this, there's no time and there's no distance in the spirit. Whenever you watch this, I'm here to tell you that if you are single, that man will not replace you. If you are married, you will not be replaced. Now, the reason why you won't be replaced is if you get on your knees and do what God is commanding you to do. If you submit the way God is telling you to submit. If you're vulnerable the way God is telling you to be vulnerable. The enemy can't move you from your set place. I need you to be like Nehemiah. You got your sword in one hand and you are building that marriage with the next. You got your sword in one hand and you are building by prayers the next. You got your sword beating down everything that tries to dare come in your path to move you from your wall, move you from your post as a watchman for your family. I am here to let you know kingdom marriages are here to stay. And we're not going to fold. And we're not going to back up. And we for dang sure, we're not going to shrink. So, for every demonic entity, principality, wickedness in high places that is assigned To every person who drops a heart down below, whether you're married or single, I cancel the agenda of the enemy's timeline shift on your life. He is trying to shift you from what is yours. He's trying to make you forfeit what is yours. He's trying to make you out your own mouth say, I'm never going to get married. This is not going to work. It's not for me. I can't do this. I wave the white flag. I'm here to tell you, don't give in. Keep pressing. You're at the breakthrough. You're at the breaking point. I'm here to tell you. I'm encouraging you. Don't give in and don't give up. It's around the corner. Don't take, the enemy can only shift you from what God has for you when you speak it. So put a guard on your mouth and stand watch. Get your sword. Get ready to fight. Get that brick and start building layer by layer the foundation for your marriage. If you're already married, let's do it again. Let's start building that foundation. If you're not married, get started. I thank you for watching.